Hi, it's me, Ate Joy, and for today's content, we're gonna prove a mathematical statement using a mathematical induction. Okay, let's start. Okay, so our mathematical statement is prove that 3 raised to n minus 1 is divisible by 8 for all n is greater than or equal to 1. First, we have to do the base case. Okay, so for in the base case, we will assume that n is equal to 1. So our equation is, our statement rather is 3 raised to 2n minus 1. So we will gonna just substitute 1 for n. Okay, so 3 raised to 2 times 1 minus 1. 3 raised to 2 minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Of course, 8 is divisible by 8. So our base case is true for all. In the equation, 3 raised to 2n minus 1 for all n is equal to 1. Okay, for the second step, we will substitute k for n, where n is equals to k. And then the equation will be 3 raised to 2n minus 1. So magiging 3 raised to 2k minus 1 is equal to 8n, where n is an element of positive integers. Okay, so this equation here or expression here is a multiple of 8 kasi dapat divisible by 8 siya kasi 8. And so any number multiplied by 8 is divisible by 8. Okay, let's have the final step where n is equals to k plus 1. The equation is 3 raised to 2n minus 1. So magiging 3 raised to 2 times k plus 1 minus 1. Distribute natin to dito as exponents. So magiging 3 raised to 2k plus 2 minus 1. Okay, so rules of exponent, may extend natin po siya. So, magiging 3 raised to 2k times 3 squared minus 1. Kasi same base sila, yan yung unang exponent. Pag same base, i-add lang yung exponent, diba? So, okay, lagay natin sila dito. Okay, so 3 raised to 2k, note that may value na tayo dito. Pwede natin ang value ng 2k is pwede natin siya kunin dito. Kasi transpose lang natin para makuha ang value ng 3 raised to 2k. 3 raised to 2k is equals to 8m plus 1. Ibig sabihin, may value lang tayo ng 3 raised to 2k, which is 8m plus 1. Copy lang natin. 8m plus 1 times 3 squared is 9 minus 1. Multiply natin ito dito. Unahin natin ito. Unahin natin ito dito, 8m plus 1 times 9. So, magiging, we have here 9 times 8m plus 9 minus 1. So, magiging 9 times 8m plus 8. So, ito pwede natin siyang ma-factor out. Gawin natin 8 times 9m plus 1. Okay, so we already have our new expression here. So, therefore, therefore, this expression here is divisible by 8. Kasi for any number multiplied by 8 is a multiple of 8, and any multiple of 8 is divisible by 8. Okay, so why? Unahin natin dito sa loob ng expression. So, Sabi dito where m is element of positive integer. So, when 9 is multiplied by positive integers, of course, the result will be an integer. Then, plus 1, any integer added by any number or any integer will be equal to integers also. Then, any integer, kasi ito integer na dito, di ba? May value na to. So, any integer multiplied by 8 will equal to multiple of 8. So, that's why this expression here is divisible by 8. So, gagawa na tayo ng conclusion dito. So, the statement, therefore, the statement 3 raised to 2n minus 1, the statement 3 raised to 2n minus 1 is divisible by 8 is true. True siya, di ba? For all, saan natin nilalagay? For all m. Yun na. Where m is an element of positive integers. That's it. Nakuha?